Padma Bridge, the bridge of pride. Not just the infrastructure. This is not merely a dream of 6.15 kilometer framework. It's the pride of a nation's ability to become a part of the evidence. A self-confidence to make something massive and prestigious.
আমি ঘোষণা দিয়েছিলাম নিজস্ব অর্থায়নে আমরা এই পদ্মা সেতু নির্মাণ করব। আল্লাহর রহমতে সেই পদ্মা সেতু আমরা বাংলাদেশের জনগণ আমরা আমাদের নিজের টাকায় এই বৃহৎ সেতু নির্মাণের কাজ শুরু করেছি।
Advancement of the construction work indicates the hard work of the people involved both sides of the river. The endless effort to connect the far distance bank of the mighty Padma. It's a gigantic working atmosphere. Lot of cranes are floating in the river. The giant hammer can be seen pushing 120-meter long steel piles deep inside the river. This German-made hammer having capacity of 2,500 ton, that is heavier than few Boeing jet. Each pier stands on 6 piles. Piling has already started after successful completion of test piling. Mawa Construction Yard, a huge number of workshops. Granty cranes and other heavy equipments can be seen even from the other side of the mighty river. Heavy steel plate of 60mm thickness brought from China are being rolled and welded here to make gigantic steel pipe above 120 meter in length. Meanwhile, one span of superstructure of steel truss is being fabricated at Mawa workshop and another span arrived at Mongla seaport out of 41 span. Each span weight is around 3,000 metric ton and will be erected by heavy floating crane of 4,500 metric ton capacity. Padma flows in zigzag, continuously eroding its banks in changing its course. It is said that this river is mightiest after Amazon in the world. This unpredictable nature makes river training the most difficult part of this project. In Mawa and Majirkandi of Jajira, one can see thousands of concrete block are being made. It requires 3.38 million tons of stones, 13.33 million block and around 17.5 million geobag filled with sand to protect 14 kilometers of bank on both sides of the river. One of the major parts of this river training is dredging. It requires dredging out 50 million cubic meter of sand to maintain the river flow at desired direction.
Out of the 5 major components of the project, the most advanced components of Padma Bridge project are approach road and service area. All these service areas have already been completed. Service Area 2 is the largest among them with 30 duplex residential units. Each service area are composed of motel maze, mosque, overhead water tank, firefighting center, power substation, guardhouse, full load generator for uninterrupted electricity supply, cricket ground, basketball court, tennis court and swimming pool. What not? Anyone can consider this as world-class resort.
Another major work is the construction of approach roads that connects the bridge with the national road networks. There are 2 parts of it. One is 1.6 kilometers up to Mawa and another starts from Jajira with the longer distance of 10.5 kilometers following dual carriageway and the service road along with 5 small bridges, 20 box culverts and 8 underpass. Toll plaza will be placed at the end of the construction.
(2,600 hectares land was required to accomplish this project.
Government has acquired local lands and rehabilitated the local people with proper compensation. There are 7 resettlement sites designed as model town in the both sides of the river. By this time, around 2,200 plots have been allotted among them and they have started living there. $450,000 trees have been removed from the acquired lands, but by this time 100,000 new plantation has been completed and 350,000 plantation will be done soon. With the introduction of Padma Bridge, it is expected that this bridge of pride would contribute at least 1.23% increase to the GDP and lead to build confidence and prosperity of the whole nation.